Jay here for your Phuket weekly weather update live. Well, it's not live, it's recorded in my garden. So, hold on. Excuse me. All right. You're back and you want to do the weather. Well, I'm just doing the intro in my garden. You want me to come to the office? Okay. All right. Great. Well, looks like Shaun's back, so we're going to head to the office. And Shaun's going to do the weather. Woo woo! Let's go!
Thanks for that, Jay. And yes, I am alive, despite Jay's own...
Could you be a little bit more happier?
Can I tell... You've been telling everyone I'm dead.
No, I never said you were dead. Hello, I'm here, by the way, behind the screen.
Yeah. Anyway, we're doing the weather, and...
What do you mean we're doing the weather? You're doing the weather, Shaun.
And I've forgotten how to do it, so bear with me.
Okay, Sunday to Sunday, because Shaun forgot that.
My understanding is that we do the weather every single week.
Yes.
And it is designed to tell you, if you're coming to Phuket, what we expect for the coming week, and whether you should go on tour and where you should go.
Well, that's
but
very precise.
before we do that, I think we should make sure that we remind you that Jay's favourite bay...
Oh, no.
Anyway, your favourite bay is closing, right?
Sorry about... Hold on, I apologise. I tried to get up and I kicked the camera, so that was what happened when I did it. Yes, Maya Bay is closing on the 1st of August.
Okay.
Hello everyone, by the way, I'm Jay.
Anyway, when we
Your
do the
usual
weather...
weather reporter.
When we do the weather, the very first thing that we look at is the wind, because...
Well, you tell them. I tell them every week.
You should tell them again.
Because the
I
wind,
don't know
the
why.
wind shows if it's going to be bumpy or not. Because the wind shows us where the weather's coming from, and wind makes waves. People, wind makes waves.
And wind blows in any storms that we would see or not see. And
Just
the
said
direction
that.
of
The wind
storm.
dictates if what weather's coming in.
So I use Windy as the app,
We use windy.
and we have a brand new anemometer.
Yeah, have you got it with you?
No, I haven't. got
No.
it. How do you say that word?
Anemometer. Oh, she sounds hot.
No.
And what it allows us to do is to see the real, live, actual wind as it stands at the moment.
What?
Jay and I just used it on the something we can't talk about, the NBA.
We've signed an NBA. Yeah, we basically got one of those wind things. I actually, mine turned up because we were on set and we needed one because the wind was quite strong.
Jay ordered one.
So I ordered one on Lazada.
And I said, Jane, to go get one.
Yeah,
You won.
Shaun won. Mine arrived the day we finished the shoot.
Anyway,
Yes.
looking to the wind, this is Sunday morning. Now let's talk colours. Blue means normally a relatively calm wind and a good sea. Green means a little bit bumpy, and yellow means, oh, let's batten down the hatches because it's blowing a gale.
Shaun's this purple. Purple's awesome, by the way.
And what I can see for Sunday actually is we have a really good wind condition out in the bay, out in Phi and in...
what you can see for today, because we're technically recording this Sunday morning. They don't know this is Saturday.
Okay.
All right, so that's the way the trick.
Movie
to do it.
magic. I sit behind the scenes running movies and I still have no idea. This is why I don't get an acting job and you do. Jay,
He just
you know
sits
what?
behind the scenes and he sends messages on the earpiece that I can't hear, and then I have to.
You know what Lucas asked me?
Go on.
He asked me why you didn't act in the last movie that we did.
What? As what?
Because he said that you would have been funny being the guy with the sword. Oh,
Shush,
I'm not gonna say
Shaun!
this. Oh.
You can't say that. There's a reason I wasn't asked to film, and that word I can't use just in case they watch this. No, I wasn't a good. It wasn't a comedy shot.
No.
It was a serious. And the actor was really nice, actually. Hello, mate. I can't say your name just in case it's.
Anyway, the wind is
Yes.
blowing this way, which is known
Which
as
is
north.
North?
Which actually,
Really?
yeah, it's a weird direction. Normally, you would expect the wind to come from the west.
From the north.
Yeah, which is quite interesting to watch. There is a strong wind system off the west coast of Phuket, but this is not really going to affect what we're doing tours-wise. We're not going to Similon this time of year because why, Jay?
Sorry, I'm just looking at this other screen. What's
The things I deal with, man.
That's a weird old picture. Can I just say, yeah, the wind generally comes from the west during this time of year. The actual, not the trade winds, are they? What are they called? What's the word?
Monsoonal winds.
Huh?
Monsoonal winds.
Oh, that's a good word. Monsoon. The monsoonal winds come from
Anyway,
the
this is
west.
going to be the longest weather report ever because we're just sitting here talking.
We haven't seen each other for a long time. Well, we did on set for a long time. And it was
It's
too
only me
much.
yelling at you.
Anyway, can I just say, if you are going on holiday to Phuket and you are
Can
staying
I ask,
Ah, here we go again.
What?
why, if you give someone a radio and an earpiece, and you're trying to talk to them, and the earpiece is on their shoulder, like, why do you do that?
Because, right, first of all, this is the wrong. Okay, we should have this conversation in another video. But the earpiece, when I'm on set, because I'm generally down in the dregs of the set.
The whole idea is
So
that
I
we're
have,
on
I
set,
know,
you're radioing
but
us and
these
telling
stupid
us what's
earpieces,
going on.
they fall out a lot, right? When
No,
we're
they
down there.
don't.
When you're sat there doing nothing, just
I
drinking
have
coffee,
two
and he has
earpieces in
two
the same
earpieces,
time.
and an assistant carrying sun cream for him and stuff, and bits and pieces because he's
Doesn't
bloody
work, though,
it
does
doesn't
it?
didn't work. Anyway, it falls out, and also I can't really hear you, so it was stupid because every time he called me, I just took it out and walked up and talked to him rather than walk
I
talk
don't
is a
get
waste
it,
of time.
man.
Anyway, just do the weather. Come on.
Anyway, Sunday afternoon, we're still okay with the wind, but the direction has
Is it?
changed to the west. If
I
I'm
need
in Phuket Sunday,
why are you so small?
I would go on to
Go bigger.
because I wanted to show the.
No one cares about that.
Offshore
No,
action.
show the Phuket and Pangar Bay and Phi Phi.
So going
there
in,
you go.
there we go. Going in Monday morning.
So
with
no,
the
you say
westerly wind.
this is Phuket here, this is Pangar Bay, and
This is
Phi
PP. Everything's fine. Monday you can go wherever you like.
I need
It's
to.
quite nice.
I'm filming next week.
Monday afternoon. Oh, look at that, Jay. You should go
What?
out Monday afternoon. That's going to be like glass on the water.
Well, we're filming the videos because we're running out of boats for high season, so we've got to film a little video to let people know that. So that's what I'm
I
doing.
didn't read that, just so you know.
I know you didn't read it. I put a lot of effort into that.
Tuesday,
Honestly,
also good wind. Oh, a little bit of a bump in the afternoon.
if you do want a boat for high season, I'd book now because we're running out of boats already. Go on, keep going.
Wednesday, a little bumpy
Wednesday.
in the morning, clearing into the afternoon. I don't see any issue. Nothing that I wouldn't go out on right now.
You need to be
Thursday-
louder. Don't just mumble.
Thursday is very calm in the afternoon. That's going to be a nice sunset cruise day. I would do that. If I'm going to go to PP on Thursday, I'm going to do a sunset cruise.
Okay.
The bioluminescence tour would be really nice for Thursday. as well.
Bioluminescence. That's always a good tour to do because it's in Pangar Bay, and Pangar Bay is protected because of where it is. You're not given any information.
Friday's the same look. It's looking like good weather. For the first time that anyone has done a weather report in the last 3 weeks, we actually have a good condition.
Can I just say, I predicted the weather for this week, and I was
Saturday.
dead right. I knew that yesterday and today would be perfect.
Actually, all the way through the week, we're looking like
Looking good this
wind
week.
condition. Look
Cool.
like we could go out and operate
All
every
right,
day.
let's
Let's
go
look
to-
at the live radar, Jay's favourite thing.
Oh! I learned something about this. I used this, and if you'd watched last week's weather report, which you probably didn't,
No, I
because I'm
haven't
very
seen it
tired,
forever.
I told everyone about this because I always moan about how small the TMD radar is on the screen.
Yes.
You use it on your phone. You can
can zoom.
expand.
Yes.
And I used it on set. You know, we shot the second thing we
Yes.
shot, right? They were asking, they were asking me, oh, is there rain coming in? And I used it, said, yeah, it's going to rain in about 10 minutes, but it won't last very long. And
I
guess
go-
what? It rained in 10 minutes, and
I
it didn't
go
last
into
long.
movies as the marine guy and end up being the weather guy.
Honestly.
I spend the entire day on the
It
TMD
was the
radar.
first time I got excited about the TMD radar. Anyway, it's pointless for you watching this because it's live.
But you can look at the radar and see, is this shower that I'm having right now
But you have
a
to
storm
search.
or a passing shower?
But you have to search TMD radar Phuket.
Phuket, yes. And don't use the loop. The loop is horrible. Just do the live radar. The other thing that we use, Jay, is the AccuWeather, and I'm not certain why we do it.
Well, and it tells you the temperature and what the temperature is going to be.
Everyone asks me, which is the best app for weather?
I
And
tell you what the
always
best
say
app is called a
AccuWeather.
window, and if you roll it down, you look up. That's the best app.
It doesn't actually work because
What, looking up?
your window in Rawai might be
I don't
different
live
to
in
my
Rawai.
window in Laguna.
You don't live in Laguna.
You know this already.
We live pretty close to each other.
I've never been to your house. I was thinking about it last night. Like, I need to go and rescue Jay, and I'm like, I don't even know where he lives.
No, Jay, Shaun was laughing at me, so you can't talk about that either, really.
Why not?
It's a very interesting situation happened at my house yesterday.
Anyway, looking
Anyway,
forward to the week.
But Q, what's the weather? Let me guess.
55% chance of
31,
rain.
31 to 33 degrees most days.
Yeah.
And it's really humid at the moment. It's quite sweaty Betty. And if it does have a little shower, they're going through pretty quick. But I think this week's going to be nice because last week was
Actually,
good.
my guess is that July is going to be better than June, and
End of
we might have a good August.
July and August are always better
Yeah.
months.
So I think like if you're looking to travel, this is probably a good time to get out. If you're in here at Phuket and you want to get out, I don't see any destination I wouldn't go to. It's a good week to get out on the sea.
All right, I'm going out then.
That's it, guys.
Is that it?
Cutting to Jay now
No.
with a live weather
No.
forecast, which is outdated because it's live from today and this is published tomorrow.
Am I doing it now?
And I'm confused.
Shall I just pick up the camera and walk out?
Yep, it's
All right,
done.
fair
Jay
enough.
rules. Oh, you've been on my computer, Jay.
I haven't touched your computer, Shaun.
Who did that then?
I don't know, I'm moving the camera now. Hello, I'm outside. I hit the off button on the camera. Look at the weather. Oh, put the sunglasses on. This is live right now. Look, even Confuse here. Hi, Confuse. He's awesome and very handsome. The girls love him. Look at this weather. Not bad, is it? This is July, people. July 19th, even though we just said we recorded it on July 20th, but we didn't. Anyway, there you go, live weather for us here in Phuket. Beautiful, isn't it? Come on holiday. Can't believe how nice it is. It's stunning. Right, bye. Oh, like and subscribe, comment below and all that jazz. Cheers, bye. Woo.